Guys, I hope you are done smashing your screens after watching Zweleka and Lazarus telling the truth about Bavumile to everyone. So, come on, let us chat about that more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So the writers of Inema did not even wait for the show to end. They did not wait to make this scene a final scene of the episode. They just broke the news right at the beginning. And I know that I don't have to narrate any of this. I mean, I think the pictures that are appearing on the screen right now are telling the whole story. Now, what I don't understand is, why was Lazarus there with Zweleka? I mean, is there a guy in real life who would do what Lazarus is doing on this scene? In fact, on this plot, because I really doubt. In fact, let me create a separate video on Lazarus. I'm going to create a separate video because there's a lot that I think I as a guy would not stand. Lazarus is a better guy than me. I think so. Guys, please do comment. Only how much it. Comment down in the comment section. Share with me, would you do what Lazarus is doing there on that show? So let me know in the comment section, gents. Now, what I want to talk about here, which was my favorite scene of the episode, was when Udabs Metronzi arrived Kwamabandla. So she came, and you could tell that she was excited that there's a new member in the family. And on her excitement process, she made sure that she added salt on Tumega's wounds. Bella, Tumega had even agreed to give Hlati another child. Now she is there looking like a fool. And as much as I'm supporting you guys and hating her, I still don't think that she deserves any of this. So guys, I know that you know all about this episode because it's already everywhere. It's already on YouTube, everywhere. So what I want you to do is to please share your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section. Like this video if you enjoy content. Subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed. And do share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.